Let's talk about trust, specifically how to build it after a shakeup. Maybe you've just been through layoffs, a merger, or leadership changes, and now your team is looking at you like, can we trust you? Kind of awkward, right? But here's the thing. Trust isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in conversation. And today, I'm giving you a playbook. The 3 essential trust-building conversations every leader must have. Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International, with years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs. I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. First up, it's the here's what's happened conversation. Transparency is key, but let's be real. Transparency is not dumping everything you know on your team. Oversharing can actually create more panic. Instead, your job is to provide clarity. And here's a framework that you can use. First, what happened? Keep it very factual, very short and super clear. Next, why it happened. Give the context, not a spin of it, the actual context. And then thirdly, what it will mean to move forward. You want to provide a path, even if it's just the next few steps. So an example might be, we had to restructure due to market shifts. It was a tough call, but necessary for long-term stability. And here's where we're focusing next. This sets the foundation for trust by eliminating the guessing game. And once your team understands what's happened, they need to know where they fit in. This is what's next. The here's what I need from you conversation. This isn't about demanding more. It's about creating alignment. 3 things to cover. What success looks like now. Define the priorities. How can they contribute? Be very specific. Connect their strengths to the mission. And then thirdly, how you're going to support them. You see, trust is a 2-way street. So for example, right now, we need to double down on client retention. Your ability to build relationships is crucial. And here's how I'm going to support you. When people understand their role in the bigger picture, uncertainty starts to shift to momentum. And then there's the third conversation, and this is the hard one. And it's the one that most leaders skip, the how are you doing really conversation. It's where you get a chance to really deepen trust. You want to ask, how are you processing everything? You want to ask, what's still feeling unclear? And then what do you need from me right now? And then listen, no fixing, no justifying, just hold the space. Your team is going to remember how you made them feel long after they forget what you said. So there it is, your playbook for restoring trust. First, here's what happened. Provide clarity, not more chaos. Then it's, here's what I need from you. You want to align and empower. And then thirdly, how are you doing really? You want to listen. Don't try to fix. You see, trust isn't rebuilt overnight. It's built by conversation after conversation. And then you'll create a team that's not just surviving the change, but they're going to thrive in it. If this resonated with you, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with a leader who really needs to hear it. And let me know in the comment, what's been the hardest part of rebuilding trust in your experience?